So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix merged keyboard on iOS 18. There's a new feature in iOS 18 called merged keyboard. So basically, if you use keyboard in two different languages, then they will get merged in iOS 18. So as you can see here, my two keyboards are merged here, English and Hindi. But there's a way to fix it. Let me show you how. So to fix it, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. After this, tap on Keyboards. So this is the bilingual keyboard or the merged keyboard. Tap on it. Now swipe left on the language you want to remove. For example, Hindi. Now tap on Delete. After this, go back. Now tap on Add New Keyboard. Now search for the language here. For example, Hindi. Tap on it. Now tap on Add New Keyboard. After this, select a layout. Tap on Done. Now go back to home screen. Now as you can see here, the keyboards are not merged anymore. Now to switch the keyboard, tap on this icon. And this will switch the keyboard. So this is how you can fix merged keyboard on iOS 18. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.